Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can change the size of a product that we just ordered from Shein app. So for that you need to open up your app and then go to the Me section. Make sure that you cancel the order that you just currently made. For that just go to unpaid section. Over here just click on the product which is waiting for the payment, and here you will find this option of cancel order. Just click on cancel order. Select any of the reason that you want. After that, product will appear in your cart. Then just choose the size that you want, the actual size that you want to change to, and click on add to cart and reorder the product. And this is how you change the size of a product after ordering. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.